Unlock lightning-fast document approvals and ironclad digital security by mastering Pandadoc e-signatures. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Pandadoc dashboard and click on the prominent Create Document button. You have a few options here, but for sending your own document, select Upload a Document. This will allow you to choose a file from your computer. Once your document is uploaded, Pandadoc will open it in its intuitive editor now. The crucial part, adding the signature fields. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Fields menu. Click on the Signature field and drag it directly onto the area of your document where you want the recipient to sign. A pop-up window will appear here. You can assign this signature field to a specific recipient. If you have multiple recipients, you can set up different roles. To add more recipients or to configure roles like signer, approver, or client, use the Add Recipient button. You can also assign specific fields to each role. You can add other essential fields like name, date, text, or checkbox by dragging them from the Fields menu and dropping them onto the document, assigning them to the appropriate recipient just like the signature field. Once all fields are in place and assigned, it's time to send. Click the Send button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. A final confirmation screen will appear here. You can review the recipients, add a personalized message, and confirm all the details are correct. Then, click Send. Congratulations! Your document is now en route for electronic signature. Back on your dashboard, you can easily track the signing status, see who has viewed it, and when it's fully completed, streamline your workflow and get documents signed faster than ever with Pandadoc.